And because the gopis danced with Krishna every night and they met him for practically most of the day, but they went home. And they went back to their ashram, and they went back to their varna and to their ashram, and they did their duty. Because if they were just in love and on Rag Marg, they would just go home and fall asleep and wake up and put on no makeup and no bath and no earrings because my lover likes me however I am. I don't need to wear the Mangala Sutra and the earrings and the ankle bells and the pile and the kinkini and the nupura and all the and I don't need to use tilak. I don't need to put sindoor in the middle, my part of my hair. I don't need to keep my hair in a bani because I'm not married to Krishna. I can just go out like a rainbow girl to meet Krishna. You know, rainbow girl? You know, I can just have my hair all hanging down and just go. And even sometimes I'm in such a flurry of intense rag and fervent desire to meet my beloved, that I don't even dress properly. I only have an earring on one ear, or kajal on one eye, or maybe kajal on my lips, and my lipstick on my eyes. And I have my veil, I have it tied around my waist like a sash. The upper cloth is tied around my lower part. Now Krishna sees me, he doesn't say, "What is this? I can't go out in public with you. Where's your Mangala Sutra? Where's your tilak? Where's your sindoor? You only have one earring, you space cadet. And go back and dress properly." "Oh yes, yes, Pati, Jipati." But the gopis, they're running down the footpath, and then Rati Mantri says, "Oh, Swamini, you only have one earring." "Oh yeah, I think Rupa Mantri has the other one. She was putting them on and I ran out so fast she couldn't put the other one on. Anyway, I don't care about it." So when Krishna gets there, "Oh, Priyaji, you look so beautiful. I have never seen you so beautiful and so adorned and decorated. You're so adorned and decorated with what? Bhavalankar. You're decorated with Bhavalankar, and there's 23 or 27 Bhavalankars. So Alankar means ornamentation, decoration. It has nothing to do with jewelry and diamonds.